the first motor is in. Yeah, this here is the Bachmann Plus. And we got our 24-volt motor in here. Got it all wired up nice. And when I was working on building motor mount, I had forgotten that a long time ago I bought a whole bunch of this. This is a foam rubber sheet. And I got this because I always thought, well, in a place where I need to put in a motor, like especially in these split frames, it would be cool if I could just cut this off, glue it in place with goop, and put the motor there. That way, if I want to take it apart again, I could just peel it out with no problem. I forgot I had that, and because of this motor meltdown, I found it. So I tried it this time. So, did we get a result? I'll tell you another thing. During the milling, the plus and the spectrum, this is the plus, not the same steel. This steel is much better quality in the plus than it is in the spectrum. In this one, I had to use cutting oil. I had to use cutting oil more than a couple times on doing some of these big plunge cuts. In the spectrum, I didn't have to do that, and it just went through it like butter. So I don't know what that's all about, but it's something we'll look at more in the future. Let's try it. Cruising along. See if we can go through the spaghetti bowl. I haven't put in the new spaghetti bowl yet. I'm going to shortly. So this has got the super high torque 24-volt motor. Did we stay on the track? Did we stay on the track? I do believe we did. Now, let's go ahead. Think you'll make the 15-inch radius? Without a problem. That 15 is getting so beat up. Very nice and quiet, smooth running. So let's run through the spaghetti bowl again. All those number 4 switches, which are super beat up, there he is. Oops, so I screwed that one up. I bet I went off the track for doing that. Yes, I did. Okay. Okay. So there he is. Success. But remember, this is not just a contest on which one looks the coolest or scores the highest points. It has to be operational. So you can get everything perfect with more details. If you can't pass the operations test, which is going through a crossover, you will not get the award. You got to make it through the crossover. We did a good job on this one. Now we'll do the spectrum. It'll match it. This one right here is another. This is a spectrum that I did in 2019. It got second place in the contest, where one of my GP30s got first, and my other GP30 got third. This one came in second. And it's a beauty. That's why I wanted to do these again, because I do like these a lot. So we're doing good so far. Let's get another one done, and it's day 7. We got a long ways to go.